लिपस्टिक खत्म करने में बहुत ही मजा आता है। एक बार मैं अंदर देख लेती हूँ कुछ पिपल पैच रह तो नहीं गया। अब आई मूविंग टू मच कि मेरा इयरिंग नीचे गिर गया। कौन है ये जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा? Who is he? Attitude, huh? What does he think of himself? Just go tell him. Man. Oh, I cannot get over Poo, man. सब इतने प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने कैसे यूज कर लिया यार? क्यों मुझे इतना स्टंट करना है यार? मैं काफी अच्छी दिख रही हूँ आज। हाउ डेयर यू? तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता इतनी खूबसूरत लगो। Not fair. Okay, anyways. My lovely people, as promised, I'm back with Product Empties video. I know I skipped January month because I was going through a lot of things, my health issues, my surgeries, my recovery, etc. So I kind of skipped the January month, but I promised you guys that I'll be posting a Product Empties video together. I managed to finish so many products and I am so proud of myself. I have everything in each category. I believe I keep buying new stuff, I keep trying out new products, but then when I finish them, I kind of like justify myself. And you guys love my product empties video, love to share my product empties video. I think with that put out, let's quickly get started. First category is fragrance, and I've managed to finish at one body mist. This is from Aqualogica. This is the Refresh Sweet A Summer Kiss a perfume body mist. So Aqualogica did come up with three fragrance mist. I've already used the vanilla one. I finished it, and this was the second one. I did not go for the purple one because I thought it would be too sweet for my liking. I loved it. This also lasted pretty good on my clothes. Later, if you want, you can always go and reapply. The thing that I didn't like is the packaging is too tight to open and close because kasrat lag jati hai. I think I did post a complete review on this. You guys have loved that video as well, wherein like I shared all the notes and everything. This is pretty straight up fruity. It does like iske spritz se people can actually smell strawberry. They say like strawberry jaisa smell aa raha hai. This I wouldn't say it's a close dupe of the Body Shop strawberry one. That is like straight up strawberry. This one has the strawberry one, but it also has that sweetness to it. Maybe it has vanilla, I'm not sure. I'll pop the notes if you want on the screen, but this I really like. It didn't trigger my migraine. I loved this fragrance, to be honest. Very close to the strawberry snowflakes from Bath and Body Works. That's one of my favorite fragrance. I'm gonna like pop the picture of the Bath and Body Works one. That this one is very close to that. I'm not gonna repurchase for two reasons, because I have a lot of fragrances. Fragrance is something that I would like to try new things, but another main reason why I wouldn't repurchase is because of the packaging. I did not like the packaging. Like it's super tight, और अभी ये सर्जरी के सिचुएशन पे तो मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा ये हर्ट करता है. The second fragrance that we're going to talk about is this one from Studio West. This is Eau de Parfum. The variant is Paris. I have already shared the complete detailed review in my perfume video. If you haven't watched that, I'll make sure to link it somewhere. But this one is for all my vanilla lovers. If you guys are a perfect vanilla lover, you need to get this. This also lasts pretty good on me, on my clothes. On the clothes too, it lasts very nicely. I would say this is even better than the smoking vanilla. A little bit of, what do you call, a cupcake kind of a sweetness. Oh, I loved it. Plus, it does have that smokiness to it. This one originally cost for 1499, 1500 rupees. But West Side का भी sale चल रहा है. I'm not sure अभी भी चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा है. Last Sunday तक मैंने देखा था चल रहा था. There you can grab this at a very good discount, because I posted a haul video West Side ka jisme I have picked up all the West Side Studio West perfume for 499. That too on buy two get one offer. So you guys can completely check this out. I love this fragrance. So probably if like I run out of all the perfumes, I might go and repurchase this one as well. And we have like two Dio roll-ons. No brainer. This is the Nivea Natural Glow Smooth Skin roll-on. This is gonna be there in my every month. This is 0% alcohol. I definitely finish one amongst them. Then the next roll-on is a new addition in my stash. I probably will repurchase again. This is the Dr. Shade 6% Active Kesar and Kojic Acid Underarm roll-on. This really did smell good. I liked it. I love the packaging as well. This is a very glass green bottle. I wouldn't say it did anything to lighten my underarms. The fragrance, I really liked it, and it was a little cooling sensation as well, so I probably will repurchase. It's a very good underarm roll-on. I don't see many people talking about this once I run out of all the other Dio roll-ons at my stash. So that's that. Then let's talk about body care, because I do have a lot of body care. I have like four things in my body care. The first one is this Foxtail Deep Moisture Body Lotion. I spoke about them in my product regrets video. I did not like them. The both the body wash and the body lotion, I did not like them. I spoke a lot about it. I ranted out, so I'm gonna make sure to leave a timestamp on the screen so you can just go and check that part out. So this is a Foxtail Deep Moisture Body Lotion. They had two variants, if I'm not wrong. One was the pink one, and this is a green one. This is the variant Aqua Plunge. Don't get me wrong, the fragrance is very overpowering. If someone likes perfumed body washes and body lotions, this is the one for you, because the fragrance is very good, and if you layer them, it's just gonna last for a longer time. But the thing is, I did not like the texture of the body lotion, because it takes a lot of time to kind of what do you call, blend into the skin. So ye white residue sort of rehta hai. Even if you try to do it on the damp skin, it gets messier and messier. If you apply it on the dry skin, it takes a lot of time to blend into the skin. And body wash ka to alag hi problem tha, but both of these have so much of fragrance, even though they have written that it's sensitive allergen free fragrance. But this fragrance kind of gave me rash as well. It kind of exacerbated my contact dermatitis situation. So overall, a no, and that's a pass. Then I finished this one. This one is the Nykaa by Moe Belle body lotion. This also I've spoken about in one of my favorites video. I loved this fragrance in particular is too floral for my liking, but I did love and I finished it. Rising effect is so good. It smelled good also. I mean, for anyone who likes floral would like it. The fragrance lasted on the body, like you smell good, like for good 4 to 5 hours. And if you layer this with some perfume, the smell is just gonna be like long lasting. And I also have one more body lotion from the same range, and I'm looking forward to get more freebies from Nykaa, because this one I got it on a free because I purchased a certain amount. So I really liked it. If you can splurge this much amount, this one is for 500 for 250 ml quantity. So if you can splurge that much amount, this you can definitely check out the other variants from this range, because they all are perfumed body lotion. The lotion was perfect, the smell was perfect, and it's very travel friendly as well, because I did carry for my traveling. So that's that. Then I finished the Earth Rhythm SPF. How many times I'm going to talk about this? This is amazing SPF. It has a very good, beautiful glow. No chip, no grease in it. It has SPF 50. I'm not sure about the PA plus because they have not mentioned it. Amazing formula. Plus, it has a beautiful coconutty smell that kind of settles down after some time. So this is again something that I'm definitely going to repurchase. Right now I have the Wishcare one, so once I finish that, I probably will definitely repurchase this. Again, swatch देने के लिए भी मेरे पास कुछ बचा नहीं, क्योंकि then I finished one hand cream. This one is from Miniso. This one is for 200 rupees, whopping expensive for a hand cream. This is a 30-gram hand cream. So probably wouldn't repurchase, because hand cream is something that I keep running out of, because I keep it in my work bag. I have to constantly wash my hands. I wear gloves. चक्कर में ना मेरे hand creams बहुत जल्दी खत्म होते हैं, तो 200 rupees is something that I cannot spare for a hand cream. So this I'm gonna pass. Plus, the moisturizing effect was not that great. It's very drying, to be honest. Like, that's what I would say. Then let's move on to hair care. I do have a couple of hair care products. Hair care mein I have my OG favorite Plum Coconut Milk and Peptide Strength and Shine shampoo. How many times I'm going to talk about this? It's like people would start thinking that it's a paid collaboration. No, absolutely, Plum is not giving any money or sponsorship for this, for me to tell this. But yeah, I think they should, because by now, how many times I've spoken about this shampoo is something that I'm going to keep repurchasing. I already have one in the washroom, and it makes my hair super soft, super manageable. It I did post a complete review. You can completely go and check it out. It has some good ingredients which kind of makes your hair super shiny in the first wash. That's what they claim. And the shampoo alone kind of works even if you don't apply conditioner. So that's what the entire collaboration was about, which I did. And trust me, the shampoo is really, really good. So if you guys have chemically treated dry, frizzy, colored hair, this is something that you should check this out. Only thing is it smells coconutty. If you guys don't like that coconutty smell, you might skip it. But if you don't mind it, and or if you love coconutty smell, this is something that you should check it out because it's super inexpensive. While we are at hair care, the next conditioner that I finished is this one from L'Oreal Hyaluron range. And this is extremely conditioning. If you have very thin or wavy hair, you may find this little overwhelming, as in like it will or it may weigh your hair down. Your hair might start feeling greasy on the second day or the third day, but for me it's not the situation. I don't have an oily scalp, but this is something that is gonna suit for anyone who has deep, dry, frizzy hair. This really gives intense moisture, and it works very well for my hair type. So I do have this shampoo, and I like keep fluctuating with this and the other shampoo, but I always repurchase this one. So that is that. Then I finished one hair regrowth serum. Again, I've spoken a lot about this one. I love the Pilgrim's hair regrowth serum. I absolutely hate the Wish Care one. So this is the Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island Densil and Anagain Advanced Hair Growth Serum with green tea. It does not feel oily, greasy, just like the Wish Care serum. Just like here, iska bhi texture. Again, I've like finished it. This must be my third or fourth bottle. Definitely, I already have purchased the backup one. I've started using it also. So this is something that I'm gonna definitely repurchase it. I always get this one. This one costs for 8.99. I always get this on buy one get one offer whenever they have. So 8.99 पे 2 मिलता है तो और क्या ही चाहिए. So finished one supplement. This is the Kera Glow Eva multivitamin supplement because I'm suffering from a lot of hair fall issue after the surgery because of the surgical stress and everything. I'm taking this, and this is not something that I've incorporated into my routine right now. This I've been like taking on and off since like couple of years. I used to take this for 2 3 months and then stop again, take it. So whenever I faced a hair fall issue, I used to take this, and this works miraculously. Within 10 days or so मेरा hair fall visibly reduce होता था. This is just a multivitamin. It's not a prescribed medicine, something that it's available over the counter, but I still would advise you to do your own research and check with your dermat or your general physician. So that's that. And let's move on to skincare because I do have a lot of skincare. Let's talk about the face washes that I ran out. This one is the Dermaco one, a 1% salicylic acid gel daily face wash for active acne. Sorry, this one has salicylic acid, witch hazel, willow bark, and it says you can use it day and night. This one is a no-brainer. I always like to keep a variety of face washes in my washroom. I have one with actives, I have one with the barrier repair thing, I have one absolutely gentle face wash, one I have stripping face wash. Don't use any active face wash for every day. I might use it once in 2 to 3 days. पानी गिर रहा है. So salicylic acid में सबसे बहुत अच्छा है. If you are acne prone skin, definitely check this one out. Then I finished one more face wash. This is the from Dot and Key Barrier Repair Hydrating Gentle Face Wash. It has 5 ceramides, Japanese rice water, is hyaluronic infused, soap, SLS free, dermatologically tested. It says normal, dry, and sensitive skin ke liye acha hai. This one is a bigger bottle, 175 ml, and I finished it. I loved this face wash. As I always say, I am all for wherever I feel there is ceramides or barrier repair thing, I'm like, I have to try that product. And this one I absolutely loved it. Such a beautiful, gentle face wash. As you can see, like my skin texture has improved markedly. I wouldn't say this is because of that, but I'm just saying overall. So I'm right now trying out Aqualogica ka barrier repair one. That is also very beautiful, but that is very gentler than this one. So if you have even little bit of sunscreen on your face, I don't think Aqualogica one is gonna work out, but this will definitely work out. I would say even dry skin, oily skin, normal skin, anyone can use this. Amazing, amazing face wash. The next product that I finished is the sunscreen. This is the Conscious Chemist ka Berry Bright sunscreen. Again, I love this sunscreen. It has a very moussey kind of a texture. Looks purple, looks exactly like Epigamia ka yogurt. It is purple in color as well. Very, very beautiful sunscreen. It has all the SPF 50, PA4 plus. It says water resistant, so this is something that I'm going to definitely try out in summer season, because I was trying out in much colder months, because I was not sweating, so I couldn't test out its water resistant properties. But I'm definitely gonna enjoy this during summer, because face skin का थोड़ा मेरे लिए ज़्यादा हो सकता है, because it's like glowy and everything, and I don't want to look like a pig in a poop in summer. I think a conscious chemist, if you can like increase the size, because 50 gram is something I'm gonna run out of very soon. So that's that. Smells nice. Did not break me out, did not clog my pores, did not give comedons, everything. It also has niacinamide. So I think a couple of you guys also tried out and liked it. So that's that. Then I finished one cleansing balm from Dot and Key, a no-brainer. I finished multiple tubs and tubs of this strawberry dew in a flash cleansing balm. I keep repurchasing it. Does not sting my eye. It does not sting my eye, removes all the waterproof makeup, that does not leave any oil residue. All of that good thing is the 70 ml quantity. And I'm sorry, 70 ml is very less. We want Dot and Key to do a big 250-gram kind of a tub, which would be like amazing. If Dot and Key listens, then please do that. But it's an amazing cleansing bath. Do try out. Even sensitive skin will love it. Let's talk about moisturizer that I finished. I finished this one from Face Skin. This is the Daily Dip moisturizer. I love this. This is a ceramide based moisturizer. Completely finished it. This worked very beautifully for my colder months, like winter में मेरा skin काफी dry हो गया था, normal to dry हो गया था. तभी ये moisturizer बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा था. I've been using this moisturizer throughout the last year. I did use this in summers also. Summers it can be a little heavy. However, I was planning to use the same moisturizer in the summer, but I think I'm not going to use this moisturizer in summer season. Dry skin people will, however, love this moisturizer in summer season also, because it does get absorbed very nicely, does not feel chip anything. But because I stumbled upon another moisturizer, which is gonna be my summer favorite, so this I'm gonna like not repurchase just now, but I would definitely repurchase in probably rainy season and the next season. But this is one of the best moisturizer. Whenever my skin was sensitive and makeup bhi karna ho, I always used to pull this one out, because it's a very good ingredients. It has cica, lot of ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So very clean moisturizer, no actives. So ऐसा moisturizer मैं हमेशा रखती हूँ जिसमें कोई actives ना हो and all. Definitely should check it out. Then another moisturizer that I finished is this one from Pilgrim. This is the Red Wine Night Gel Cream. Actually, I did not finish out very recently. काफी पहले ही खत्म हो चुका था. बस एक दो usages left था. So that's the reason I could finish this up. The only problem is this does have a little bit of like strong fragrance. Though they say I think fragrances are the last or something. इसमें तो लिखा ही नहीं है fragrance, but this does have a lot of fragrance. It has some good ingredients, retinol, mulberry. The only reason why I picked up this moisturizer because I wanted to incorporate retinol into my skincare routine somehow. So this says it's a daily night cream. That's the reason I picked this up. अच्छा काम किया, did not break me out, और एकदम gel consistent. So even like oily skin people would love it. आप ये throughout the season use कर सकते हो, because it's very quick absorbing and gel moisturizer. So that's that, barring the fragrance. The most favorite moisturizer that I've been loving currently is this one from Clinique Moisture Surge. I love this moisturizer, you guys. I already purchased 3 of them and एक खत्म हो चुका है, एक already मैं use करना शुरू कर चुकी हूँ. Whenever like my skin was going through anything, this is the only moisturizer I was applying on my skin. No actives, nothing, and this just works. Like it's not gonna be a repairing kind of a moisturizer because it doesn't claim to be. It's just a simple moisturizer which has like very good ingredients, and it's just gonna not exacerbate whatever condition you're having. So it's not supposed to repair your skin or take care of those acne, active acne or scars, but this is something that's just gonna moisturize your face. That's it. So any age group can use this. Like even if you have mature skin, you can use it. My combination skin just loves it, and this is the moisturizer I'm gonna use in summer. I'm so happy that this worked. This is a 30 ml quantity. I would suggest you pick up whenever Nykaa is doing sale. Sorry, whenever Nykaa is doing sale, either Nykaa or Tira, when you have like buy two get one offer, something like that. That's when you should pick this up, because that's when I picked up. Buy two get one पे मुझे मिला, और कूपन कोड लगा के बहुत ही कम अमेजिंग प्राइस पे मुझे 30 ml की क्वांटिटी मिले. So if you can splurge, or if you can afford this much price, I think this moisturizer is something, this is totally worth the hype. That's what I'm trying to say. I loved this moisturizer, and this is definite repurchase. Then I finished this acne spot corrector gel. This one is from Foxtail. I've been using this since quite a number of years, but ये expired हो चुका था, which I didn't realize, so I just I'm discarding it. लेकिन खत्म भी हो गया है, इसमें इतना कुछ बचा भी नहीं है. This is an amazing acne spot corrector gel, but अभी मार्केट में बहुत आ गया, so probably because of that I wouldn't repurchase it. But ये काम करता था. I'm not saying that overnight miracle karta tha, but this definitely worked because this has good ingredients. So मेरे acne definitely 2-3 दिन में कम हो जाता था. This has azelaic acid, AHA and BHA. This is how it looks, the 15 ml quantity. A good acne spot corrector gel. Abhi acne squad ka people are talking about it, so I'm like eyeing on that product. So definitely I wouldn't repurchase this one just for now, because if anything else doesn't work out, definitely would come back to it because I know this works. How can we forget pimple patches? So I finished my Urban Yokta pimple patch. You guys know this is my holy grail. Keep repurchasing this one. And one of you guys suggested this pimple patch. This one is from Priveda, and one of you guys suggested, so that's the reason I picked this up. Loved it. It worked very beautifully, but I would say कि this is slightly expensive than this one because इसमें से 57 patches है and this has 72 patches, and I think both of them cost the same. Worked very beautifully, guys. Whoever suggested has been really doing some research. Really good quality pimple patch, but I would still go back to this because this one is slightly inexpensive than this one. That's the reason. Otherwise, both of them work. सॉरी, हेयर केयर में एक और प्रोडक्ट मेरा रह गया. आई फिनिश दिस लॉरियल एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी ऑयल सीरम. दिस वन आई कंप्लीटली फिनिश्ड इट. आई थिंक मैं ये 2 साल से यूज कर रही हूँ. बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी लगता है एंड इट वर्क्स ब्यूटीफुली. लाइक आई हैव बीन trying out so many hair serums in the market for the past 4-5 years before I landed onto this. This is my second bottle, by the way, जब से ये launch हुआ है. And this one hair oil works so beautifully, and why I like it more because it's very inexpensive also. So I would definitely repurchase this one, and it works. It does tame my frizzy hair, you guys. So definite repurchase. Smells good also. It also works like a heat protectant also. So then let's move on to my favorite category, which is gonna be my makeup. I think makeup. थोड़े makeup hai. Let's just begin. So I've managed to finish 2 lipsticks. This one is from Blue Heaven, not Cookie and Crush bullet lipstick, and this one was in the shade Choco Chip Need. This one I finished really quickly, you guys, because बहुत ही कमाल का लेयरिंग होता था इससे. सो दिस लिपस्टिक आई मेजरली यूज्ड फॉर लेयरिंग बिकॉज दिस यूज्ड टू ट्रांसफर. इट्स नॉट अ ट्रांसफर प्रूफ लिपस्टिक, तो इसको मैं हमेशा अंडरनीथ में लगा के ऊपर मैं ट्रांसफर प्रूफ लिपस्टिक लगाती थी. वर्क वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुली, वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. व्हाई आई टेल यू, बिकॉज दिस रेंज लीव्स अ strong tint on the lips. So एक pink tint रहता था. So imagine it leaves a tint. I have this bullet lipstick layered on another transfer proof lipstick. तो बहुत ही long lasting होता था. Even when it fades, it does not fade in patches. It fades very uniformly and the tint is still there. I personally couldn't wear the shade on its own because it's just a little bit cool tone and purplish looking on my skin tone. But पूरा खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. Coffee, chocolatey smell. Love the smell, love the component, you guys. बहुत ही मस्त पैकेजिंग है. खत्म होने के बाद भी तो ये एक भी स्क्रैच नहीं आया ये पूरे कंपोनेंट में. लव द पैकेजिंग. आई एम श्योर इसके बाकी शेड्स भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे रहेंगे. देन द नेक्स्ट लिपस्टिक दैट आई फिनिश्ड इज द मार्स मैटिनी लिपस्टिक, and I am in the shade Nude Flirt. Again, I use this up for my layering purpose because this, for my liking, is very cool grungy brown lipstick. मैंने इसको पूरा finish किया. You guys can see. Loved this packaging as well, but this is slightly एक second आ नहीं रहा. Yeah, this is slightly cool tone for my liking. थोड़ा grungy लगता था ये मेरे ऊपर. Oh my god, कितना long lasting, कितना ही comfortable lipstick है ये. Definitely looking forward to try out another shade. Let me know in the comment section. Mars Matinee lipstick में से आप लोग ने कोई particular shade use किया है क्या, which looks our skin tone nicely. So I would definitely like to try it out. बहुत ही मस्त lipstick है, very long lasting, very comfortable. I think this is transfer proof also because I never used it on its own. I don't know, but yeah, it is transfer proof. Being a transfer proof bullet lipstick, this is very long lasting and very comfortable. It did not feel drying at all. That's a shade. So I finished up this lipstick. Then I finished three lip balms. This one is the Wish Care lip balm in the tinted variant. Finished it completely. You guys know what I feel about this. Not a great lip balm for me. I did not like it, but I finished it. Not sure whether I'll be able to get something. Nahin. It's just I'm just scratching myself, but kuch nahi hai isme bacha. Then I finished one more lip balm. This one was from Hyphen. This is also a SPF 30. This one is also an SPF lip balm. Both this SPF lip balm did not work out for me. This has a very sugary taste, which I hated, and this the moisturizing effect is just not enough. I've spoken a lot about them, ranted a lot about, so I'm not gonna do it here as well. But yeah, this one is something again didn't work out, but I loved the packaging. So finished it, let it go anyways. फिर ये लिप बाम मैंने खत्म किया. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is Tint Me On lip balm. This is in the shade 01. I did not like this lip balm as well. You guys can see मैंने उसको पूरा खत्म किया. The reason why I didn't like it, इतना moisturizing भी नहीं है, but at the same time the packaging sucks. इसका bullet बहुत ही पहले टूट गया था, and it keeps melting and it keeps getting everywhere. It is messy. It melts a lot at our Indian humid weather temperature. So a skip. Finished my favorite setting spray. This one is from NYX. This is the matte finish setting spray. Loved this setting spray. This is already my third or fourth purchase. 3-4 years pehle, not all the brands were doing setting spray. So at that time, NYX was the only setting spray that I could buy. It is expensive. Not I could buy, I could reach to, and it performs very good. When they say matte, means matte rehta tha. It makes your makeup matte. And even I've tried out the dewy finish setting spray. Even that one is very good. So if you guys are in the lookout for a good, amazing setting spray which kind of works, makes your makeup long lasting, and oily skin people, especially if you want a matte setting spray, check this out. But I would say don't pay full price because it's expensive one. You can pick up at offer. Very, very good setting spray. Then I finished this one. This is nail lacquer remover wet wipes from Colabar. Again, I finished this one because I always like to carry it in my bag. I get gel extensions, तो मुझे लगता है क्योंकि nails में हल्दी लगता है, तो you guys know the drill. Then I finished up this tattoo eyeliner from Maybelline. I was super disappointed because this is one of my favorite eyeliner, at least it used to be. But then when I was doing one of the tutorials, that time I found out कि ये पूरा dry हो चुका है. And while I was trying to apply the wing, the pigment did not show up on my eye. I was super disappointed because this one is not expired. This expires in February 26th, so almost एक साल है. So I'm a little bummed. I did not expect this from Maybelline, so right now I'm not going to repurchase this one. Probably will check out other eyeliners. Then I finished up this panty liners. You guys know how much I love the P Safe panty liners. I finished this up. This is something that I cannot go with. I always use panty liners no matter what. This one is the 185 का वाला length. Amazon पे तो हमेशा ऑफर रहता है. MRP is 250, but Amazon पे you can definitely pick up for like 200 rupees or so. And if you check out the PSafe website, you can use my coupon code that is flashing on the screen. You can get additional 20% discount on that as well. So voila, I think with that we have finished our product empties video. It was combined product empties video from December and January. Hope you guys like this video and enjoy throughout the video. You guys love my product empties video. I hope you guys like this video as well. So I love to finish so many products, you guys. It just makes my मैं बहुत खुश रहती हूँ इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट एंट्रीज देख के. Because I finished 2 of my lipsticks, I can definitely go ahead and purchase 2 lipsticks, right? I finished 3 lip balms, definitely can go and try out 3 other lip balms. So that's what I do. Like I keep targeting one particular product, and then I finish that product, and then I go ahead and buy another product. On your Q&A video as well, so I'm gonna probably do a tutorial. I don't know, I've not thought about the tutorial what I'm gonna do it, but yeah, I'm like jotting down all your questions. So drop down all your questions. Like it can be regarding the surgery, or it can be regarding any other thing. Like if you just want to know anything in particular about me or my life or personal questions, drop it down. I'll definitely pick your questions and answer your questions definitely. So I think with that I'm gonna take off. I shall see you in the next video. Ta-da! Bye bye.